Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today I've got the U96 U boat. We've got pack 17. There's quite a bit to do with these four kits. So we've got kit 65 and 66. 67 and 68 we'll do in another video. We will need the engine, or what we did with the engine previously. There we go. We add a lot more onto that today. Yeah, there's quite a bit to do with this. And then yeah, we're about halfway through, I think. Then what are we up to? 60, yeah, 68, yeah, nearly halfway through. So next month when we get the next four kits, yeah, it'll definitely be halfway through this build. Seems to be a lot going on with this build, but anyway, I think it's looking superb myself. So anyway, let's start with kit 65. So here we have kit 65. Work on the engine room continues in this kit with the assembly of the engine block. In addition, various attachments, couplings and a ventilation fan are built and attached to the engine block. So let's get the parts out. There we go, those are the parts. 65.1 is the engine block, 65.2 is engine block, 65.3 is engine block, and then we have three parts of the fan, 654, 655 and 656, and then we have attachments, 657. There's four pieces on that sprue. There we go. And then we have engine coupling 1, 2, 3, that's 65.8 to 65.10, and the last piece just says attachment 65.11. There we go, there's a close-up of all the parts. First of all, we're going to put these three pieces together, so I'll put them out of the way, and basically we need, yeah, to fit that into there. There's a little slot for that, as you can see, and that piece will join with that. But we need to glue these because them are quite loose. Okay, pop these two together. The other piece will just go on top through the little slot. Get them coupled together there. And then this one will go here. Just there like that. Give them a minute to set. Okay, that's now set. We pop that to one side. We need 65.1, which is this piece. It's part of the engine block, and that goes into there like that. And we need to glue this together now. We just need glue around here, here, and here for these three pegs. Fit that back into place. There we go. We'll give that a minute to set now. Next we need this engine coupling that we fitted, 65.8, 65.10. Pop a little bit of glue onto there and we'll fit this into that engine block. Just here. There we go. Fit that just there like so. And we'll give that a minute to set now. Okay, there should be set. Now we need the other engine block. This is 65.2, it goes into here and here and over them two lugs there. And there's a little cutout there for that coupling, engine coupling as well. So we'll get this lined up best as possible. And once we've got it all together, we can actually glue it. That does actually come off there as well. Let's see. So that's come off there. I never glued it previously, obviously, but fit that together, get all that glued in place. There we go, that's all fixed together. I didn't actually have to glue it in the end, they just all pushed into place. So I've not popped any glue on it, and it is a very, very tight fit, and everything is as it should be. Excellent. Now we need this piece. This piece goes over here. We'll go that way, obviously. See for this. This is 65.3. There we go. That fits like that, but I think that is a little bit loose. So yeah, I'll get this glued. Pop some glue around these posts. You don't always necessarily need too much glue on it because sometimes you can make mistakes. You've got to take them apart. There we go. That's the other engine block in place. Fits beautifully. Excellent. Give that a minute. Okay, now we need the attachment, 6511. You can see there's a little peg there. That will go into that slot just here. So put some glue just there, like so. And that's that fixed into place. Excellent. Okay, now we need 65 5, 65 6 and 65 4. These two piece together like that. Again, we need a little bit of glue across there and into there. Keep these two together. Excellent. And we'll slot these into here in a minute. Okay, that should have dried. There we go. Slot that like that. That's how that should be. Okay, this is the fan assembly. That fits just into that slot there. There we go. I think we'll just pop a little bit of glue on that. There we go. And pop that back into place. There we go. Looking pretty cool. Okay, next we need to take A, B and C off this sprue. So I'll get these off and then we can put these into place. Sharp knife, of course. There we go. We won't need the last piece. We'll put that into place later on. Now, this little piece, which is B off that sprue, will go just there. Yeah, into that little slot. And it will fit just there like that. Get some glue on this, show you in a sec. There we go. That is B in place off the sprue. Looking good. Now we have C, which is that little piece, and that will go into that slot just there, the side of the fan. There we go, just like that. I'll get that glued in place. There we go. There's C. Now the other piece is A, which will go into that slot there. Okay, now you will probably need tweezers. There we go, to get that into place. That's that other little piece off the sprue. There we go, that's a better close up. There's plenty of detail on it, just no colour. Well, there we go, excellent stuff. So there we go, we need to keep hold of this piece for later in the build. So that's kit 65 completed. Let's move on to 66. Okay, now we got kit 66. In this kit, the engine is equipped with additional components: the control station, a cylinder cover including the fuel oil line, indicator taps, cooling water lines, and an attachment. Excellent. So there we go, some lovely detail on here. There is the fuel oil line, there's the indicator taps, they look pretty cool. Yeah, excellent. Cylinder cover, and then we have the cooling water lines. That just says attachment for that one. Then we got the control station. Then we got the engine clutch, hand wheel, starting lever and starting air valve, which are then three pieces. And then we have the oil pump, which also has some lovely detail on it as well. Nice bit of paint in there as well. And here, you can see that silver on it. Looking pretty good. I do like the attention to detail of this build. It's excellent. Now we just need these pieces, and we need this piece off this frame from kit 65, so we'll get this off. There we go, I'm going to pop all these together. Okay, so we need this piece, which will go 66.8 and 66.6 will go just there like that. And this little piece, which is D, will go into the slot on the side, and that will fit there like that. And that is the result we're looking for. So I'll get this glued together. There we go. That's them three pieces all glued together. Looking brilliant. Okay, don't pop that to one side, because now we need this lever off here. Okay, now we have the lever. We just need to pop this into place. That will go just there. It's just a tight connection, that. We won't need any glue for that. And then we need the air valve hand wheel, which is C off that frame. You can see that little handle there, and that will go, that's where that goes. just like that. Just turn around, but it's because it's loose. The air valve hand wheel seat off the frame, we'll get that glued into place. Okay, now we can pop all of these onto the engine block at the front, just on that tab there. It will situate itself just there, like that. So I'll get some glue on there, and then we got the tappets, I think. Pop that there, like so, keep that nicely balanced. That looks good. Next thing we need is the other hand wheel, which will fit into that little hole there. You got some glue on there. And we pop that into there. There we go. That's looking pretty cool. Excellent stuff. Okay, we can pop that to one side because we need the cylinder cover and the fuel line. Now there's 3 pegs on this fuel line. We're going to there, there and there. Just like that. Excellent. We could pop some glue onto that as well. Sorry. There we go. There's a fuel line on the cylinder cover. And then we got the fuel line on. We need the tap, so take these off the sprue. And we can get these popped into place. There we go. That's all 6. Okay, now I've cleaned up the edges. Each one of these will go into here, 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 and here. It doesn't matter which goes which. There we go. It will go like that. So I'll get all 6 glued in place, and I'll show you in a minute. Okay, let's get the last one in. That goes just there, like so. Get all these straightened up. There we go. Brilliant, that looks cool. So now we have all them indicator taps in place. That will go on to here, like that. Now it's a nice little snug fit that, but I think we'll need to glue that into place. We'll just pop some glue around here and here. That should be enough really. Just, there we go. Fix that on top. Them indicator taps look brilliant, do they not? Lovely detail. There we go. Now all we need to do is fit the fuel line into that little hole just there, like that. So I'll get that glued into place. And there we go. That's the fuel line in place. Next thing we need are these off the sprue. These are the cooling water pipes. I'll take these off the sprue. Be with you in a sec. Okay, each one of these pipes will fit into one of them slots there, and we'll glue them into place. We'll go just like that. Once it's glued in place, it will straighten up. There we go. And we'll get all 6 of these in place. There we go, that's the first one. There we go. Now we get the other 5. Okay, let's get the last one in. There we go. Get that lined up nice and straight. Brilliant. There we go. That's the water pipes. As you can see how they fit beautifully on that cylinder cover. Excellent stuff. All left with now is this little piece, which is the attachment, which should go here. So this is 65.5. You can see it's got a little tab there. I put some glue in place. There we go. That's 65.5 in place. What they call attachment. You can see quite a bit of detail on that. So you might want to paint that to highlight it. But everything else is looking absolutely fantastic. Water pipes, indicator taps, hand wheels, coupling, engine blocks, cylinder cover, and that lever there as well. Yep. There we go. That's it all together. Excellent. Popped a little bit more glue under here because that was a little bit lopsided. But that looks cool, that really does. I want to highlight this as well. I'm not sure if this should be grey, but anyway, it does look fantastic. Brilliant stuff. So there we go, that is kit 65 and 66 of the U96 U-boat. Well, there we go, guys. There is the engine for now. Looking absolutely brilliant. I love the level of detail. You know, even though some of it is, well, a lot of it is the same colour, you can still see a lot of detail on that. Look at that, that looks brilliant. Absolutely fantastic, absolutely loving it. Okay, no, just 2 kits left for this month, but I'll get them done on a separate video. But anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, and if I don't see you before, have a very, very happy new year. Don't forget to go and celebrate, and don't forget about resolutions, they never work. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye for now.